Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today's project we're going to be cleaning this Zanussi washing machine. I'm going to give it a full deep clean, and what we'll be using the Dettol antibacterial washing machine cleaner. Now this is the Lemon Breeze. So if you want to learn how to deep clean your washing machine, stay tuned, watch this video and let's crack on. Now the first thing we want to do is remove this soap dispenser. And to do that, we've got a little locking mechanism at the back. They're all slightly different, but on this one we'll just press down, pull out, and there we go. That's removed, and you can see the grime, the mould is already starting to build up on that. So that is due a clean. We'll also have a look inside there, and you can see it's definitely due a clean as well. Bit of mould and grime on the top. So let's get this dispenser cleaned. Gloves on. I'm just going to run this under the hot tap for now, just to soften anything. Make it easier to apply the cleaning solution. Some of the stain is quite heavy in places. Just make sure all those holes are clean and clear. With a softener. Now the next thing, I've added around a tablespoon to 200 millilitres of water. I'm just going to mix that thoroughly. I'm just going to take a sponge, stick that in the cleaner. Make sure you've got gloves on for this as well, guys. And then we'll just give this a thorough scrubbing down. We'll spend a bit of time on this to make sure that is completely clean. So that's our detergent drawer, dispenser drawer, fully cleaned, and we'll move on to the housing. Just going to give you a before and after picture for this one, so you can see what we're like at present. And all we'll be doing again is we'll be using the sponge with the additive, the Dettol additive in there. We're giving that a thorough rinse down and a wipe off, and we'll finish it off with a microfiber cloth. Now that's looking a good bit cleaner in there. Hopefully you guys will agree. The microfiber cloth just buffs it up, finishes it off. Now for the next stage, I'm going to remove and clean the filter. Now luckily here I've got ceramic floor. If you've not, you're going to have to definitely put some towels down around the machine, because although there is a drain pipe, you can still end up with a bit of a mess around when you actually take the filter out. So just precautions, put some towels down as well, guys. I'm just trying to do this with one hand for you. Well, that's actually not too bad. Now, as a matter of interest, this machine is around 15 years old, I'd say. It's been an absolutely stellar performer. We'll just drain this off. Hopefully we'll get it in one container. Just pull this out, have a look. So what we'll do, put that under the sink, give that a rinse, and we'll just wipe that through with the antibacterial cleaner to remove any odours, I should say, and also make sure that thread is clean on the actual filter and inside the housing. Don't want any leaks. So I'm trying to sit you guys on an angle with the camera so you can get a good view of inside that seal. So again, with the diluted mixture and the sponge, I'm just going to work that through, work away, and you can see smelling much nicer already. You can see how that lifts it, and we'll just show you on the lip of the machine again. It's just starting to lift that. So I'll work away cleaning this, making sure we're getting all these little hard to reach areas, and we'll give that seal a good cleaning with a Dettol cleaner. So that's had a good cleaning now. As you can see, that's come up a lot better, and also on the lip on the inside. Washing machine is switched on, plugged in. Now set the manufacturer's recommended wash at 60 degrees. Pour the remaining cleaner into the drawer dispenser. Now I'm just going to leave a couple of tablespoons for the end after the cleaning process. I'm going to wipe the seal down with my microfiber cloth soaked in the cleaner just to finalise it. And we'll come back and check and see how it's doing halfway through its cleaning process. To give you an idea, we're about halfway through now on the full 60 degree wash. As a bonus tip at the end, I just like to show you what I like to do when I'm deep cleaning these washing machines. But for now, we'll leave this to finish its full cleaning cycle. Okay, so we've come to the end of our cleaning process, and let's just have a look inside the drum. Oh, it's looking nice and clean and shiny. Let's check that seal. Again, looking really good. So what I'm going to do now, just to finalise the deep cleaning process, is the remainder of the Dettol washing machine cleaner. I'm just going to wipe this seal down inside and outside, and also the glass on the inside. And last of all, we just give the internal glass a wipe down, paying particular attention to the underneath. Now one deep cleaned washing machine. Just show you the internal seal there, the glass, and the detergent dispenser. So that is one deep cleaned washing machine. Now a little tip for you guys: at the end of your washing cycle, when you've cleaned every clothes, just leave the door open, allow it to ventilate, and also the drawer slightly open as well, just to let a little bit of air get in there. But yeah, so that is ready for the next load of laundry. One fresh smelling deep cleaned washing machine. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's been helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. If you've any comments, just leave them below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, take care, and I shall see you on the next video.